Hey there! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add CSS to your Hubspot email templates so you can style your emails exactly how you want. First, go to your marketing section, then head over to emails. Here, you'll see all your available emails. You can either create a new email or edit an existing one. For this example, let's edit an email. Click on your drafts or scheduled emails if you already have one ready. I'll select this email here to continue. Once the email opens, you'll be in the HubSpot Email Builder. Next, click on the More tab. Then, go to your modules and head over to Setup. Here, you'll see the internal name and options to organize or add new properties. Now, scroll to the Head section. Here, you can paste your CSS directly. You have a few options. Create a custom property and paste your CSS there, add it into your email contents, or include it in additional modules. And that's it. Your CSS is now part of the email template. That's all for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check the description for more resources. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.